I've learned about a lot of technology and how much fun it is to solder and build robots. I thought it was boring at first, but it's actually not. I learned how to solder.
Basically, what we've started with is we started making a board, which we're gonna then put onto a robot, almost sort of a car, which we're gonna be able to program to drive and do all these turn right, turn left, go back, and put time limits. And then we program it on a computer and tell it what to do. What we're learning here is helping me, and hopefully I will do well.
At the beginning of this year, I didn't know anything about robotech, and now I know a lot about it. I intend to do engineering when I'm older, and this really broadened my mind on engineering. My math and science marks is relatively good, and it definitely contributes. I really enjoy this subject.
We've been building a robot. So far I've put in the resistors, and this board goes on top of the Arduino block. Robotics is a very valuable thing to learn. You have to be precise, and the whole science about it is like you have to put in the things in certain places, like the LED, because if you put it in a different place, it won't work.
My name is Linda Nkosi. I am currently in grade 9. We are building our own robots, and I've learned how to solder and what certain components do. This actually helps you with your hands a little bit. I've learned a couple of things and tricks. I would like to be an engineer.
I'm Joshua Miller. I'm from St. David's, Maristonanda. I'm doing the Arduino project. I think it's a fantastic project. I'd like to be an engineer when I grow up.
We're currently working on our board in robotics, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. This is the basis and the brains for the robot that we're currently building. What the subject does, it gives you a new way to solve problems, especially in the math and science department. When I get out of school, I want to go to university. I've got a majority of options I want to study in university, including engineering, law and medicine.
My name is Brendan Craven. I'm 15 years old. Robotics has been my passion for many years. A few years ago I picked up a magazine, Popular Mechanics, and I read through it. And I thought, wow, I want to do these things when I grow older. And robotics has just been my passion ever since, and I'm thoroughly enjoying putting all the stuff together. I've just hooked up the Arduino board to the actual PCB.
I'm Rafilwe. I am in grade 9. I'm 14 years old, and I go to St. David's, Maristonanda. I am doing robotics right now because when I leave school, I would like to go to university to become an engineer. And I think this will actually help me in the future. My maths and science, they're both really good marks, so I think that I will do well.
Prior to taking this course, I never really had an interest in robotics and electronics and stuff like that. But ever since starting the course at the beginning of the year, I really have taken an interest in it. I'm in the top set for maths, so that's good, and my science marks are also pretty good. My dad's actually an engineer, so that is really an option.